Once we've done an assessment of the intellectual property that your business owns and how to protect that intellectual property, we also want to make sure that you're giving notice to others that you own that intellectual property. And we do that in different ways depending on what the IP is. From a patent perspective, once we get that patent application on file, you can start using patent pending in connection with the products that you sell that are being claimed in that patent application. And then once the patent issued, then at that point we usually include the patent number in connection with the product. So it might be on the packaging of the product, or it might be on the website where you're selling the product, or on both. If it's a manufacturing process, it might be on your website where you describe the process. But those are things that you want to let people know about. One, it serves as a great deterrent, right? So if you let people know that you've got a patent application pending, or you actually have a patent on something, that hopefully will keep your competitors from using that technology or that patented information in their business. And that's one of the values that you get from that patent having been issued. With respect to trademarks, there's a couple different ways that we do that. When you start using your trademark, if you don't have a registration, a federal registration on the trademark, you can begin using it's a superscript. That just means that it sits a little bit above the line with respect to your words, but you can use that superscript TM or SM if it's a service that you're providing, either one of those. And then once we get a federal registration for you, you can start using that superscript R in a circle that you've probably all seen on other products. With respect to copyrights, the copyright notice is the C in a circle, and there's a particular way that we do that with the C in the circle and the year that the work, whatever it was published, and also the owner. We want to make sure that we cite all of those things. So whether it's in connection with your website, or in a book, or a manual, or artwork, whatever the case might be, that's kind of the notice that we provide. And all of those things hopefully serve as deterrents from other people using something that's substantially similar to yours from an intellectual property perspective.